Most fighters train their punches for years, but one tiny mistake under their front foot can destroy their range, power, angles, and defense. Watch an elite fighter move. He doesn't just move his body, he plays.
Most fighters obsess over their hands, their punches, their combinations, their power. Nobody talks about the front foot. And yet, the front foot controls everything. Every single thing that happens in a fight. Most fighters think footwork means moving around, bouncing, circling, staying active. They think as long as they're moving, their footwork is good. That's completely wrong. Footwork isn't about movement for movement's sake. It's about where your front foot lands and what position that creates. A fighter who moves a lot but lands their front foot wrong is constantly putting themselves in bad positions without knowing why. The front foot is the steering wheel.
Here's why the front foot controls so much. Where your front foot is determines your range, determines your angle, determines your balance, and determines your power. If your front foot is too far forward, you are in takedown range without knowing it. If it's too far back, your punches don't reach. If it's angled wrong, your power generation is cut in half. Every single problem in your game can be traced back to your front foot.
Lesson 1. The front foot controls range. Range is the most important variable in any fight. Too close, you get grabbed or clinched. Too far, your shots don't land clean. Perfect range? Every shot connects. Your front foot is the range dial. A small step forward with the front foot closes the range instantly. A small step back with the front foot opens it immediately. Elite fighters control range so precisely that every shot lands at exactly the right distance, and every opponent's shot lands just short. That precision starts with the front foot. Lesson 2. The front foot creates angles. An angle is when you are not directly in front of your opponent. You are slightly to the side, where their weapons can't reach you cleanly, but yours can reach them. How do you create an angle? You pivot on your front foot. Plant the front foot, rotate the body around it, and suddenly, you are off the center line. Safe from their return shots, open for your attack. That pivot is the most powerful move in fighting, and it starts and ends on the front foot. Lesson 3. Front foot position affects your power. Most fighters don't know this. When you punch, your power comes from the ground up, through your legs, through your hips, through your arm. But if your front foot is pointed too far inward, your hips cannot rotate freely. The rotation gets blocked at the foot, and your power leaks. Your front foot should point slightly toward your opponent, around 30 to 45 degrees. This allows full hip rotation and maximum power transfer through every punch. Lesson 4. The front foot is your primary defensive tool. Most fighters think defense means blocking or slipping. That's only part of it. The best defense in fighting is not being there when the punch arrives. And the front foot is what moves you out of the way. A small step outside with the front foot while the punch flies past puts you in a perfect counter position. A small pivot on the front foot takes you completely off their attack line. Here's how to train front foot awareness. Put a piece of tape on the floor. That's your front foot target position. Shadow box for 3 rounds. Your only job is to always return your front foot to that tape. Every time you move, every time you punch, front foot returns to the tape. This builds the habit of front foot discipline. Most fighters have no idea where their front foot is. After 2 weeks of this drill, you will always know exactly where it is.
Here's the most important front foot drill. The pivot drill. Stand in your fighting stance. Plant your front foot firmly. Now pivot your entire body, rotating around that planted front foot. 90 degrees to the left. Return to center. 90 degrees to the right. Return. Do this 50 times per session. This is how angles are created in real fights. A planted front foot and a pivot gets you completely off the center line in under half a second. Here's what changes when you fix this. Your range becomes precise. Your punches start landing cleaner. Your defense becomes effortless. You start creating angles your opponents can't explain. Your power increases without changing anything else. All from where you plant. 1 foot. 50 years of martial arts wisdom, all sitting right there under your foot. 3 front foot mistakes most fighters make. 1. Front foot pointing too far inward. It blocks your hip rotation and kills your power. 2. Front foot stepping directly in front. Never step onto the center line. Always step slightly to the outside. 3. Flat front foot when punching. The front heel should lift slightly to allow full hip drive. Champions obsess over the front foot. Beginners obsess over the hands. Now you know why. Range, angle, power, defense. All of it lives in 1 foot. Start paying attention to it. Everything else will follow.
How did you like the video? Share with others. Subscribe for more. Support the channel. Keep learning.